Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've got a new look today, as I'm sure you've noticed. A lot of people have been asking me over the last couple of months, what do you look like without a system? Well, here you go, the long wait is over. This is what I look like without a system. Hair shaved, of course. I do have hair there, but I have shaved it. But this is kind of like what I look like. And I think it's taken a lot for me to share this on camera. Like, not many people have seen me like this. I'm talking about maybe a handful of people, my sort of nearest and dearest. So actually, when I think about it, only one person has seen me like this, and that's my girlfriend. No one else. I mean, people know that there's some people that know that I wear a system, but no one's actually seen me like this. They see it with it on, finished, blah, blah, blah. And I think, you know, there's quite a few people out there who've got their own channels and who are just really honest and really open, and show not just the good side of a hair system, but also like when you don't have it on and what it looks like. And I suppose it's natural to feel a bit exposed, but I think it does take a lot of bravery and honesty to sort of put your face out there on YouTube, looking completely different to how you normally look, to the world, to your friends, to your family. And I suppose this isn't really a video about offering you free information or giving you any tips and advice. This is just about me coming out to you and saying, look, you know, it's taken me a while to get to this place, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. And there are a few people out there who are, you know, brave enough to do this regularly, and I'd like to become one of those people. Call them YouTubers, call them influencers, call them what you like. But I can think of like Hair by MHE. I think the guys at Hair for All, they occasionally do sort of, you know, videos without a system. And yeah, I think it takes balls, and it takes, you know, a fair amount of bravery to just put your face out there and be like, you know, this is, to me, this is, or to show the world that, you know, this is me without my system on, and this is what I do look like sometimes. And I think I'm not at the point where I'd actually walk outside and sort of, you know, do this kind of like walking around in town. We live in quite a small town. I'd probably bump into someone I know, and they'd just be like, what on earth has happened to you? So I'm not sure if I'd ever get to that point, but I just wanted to show to you guys, because there has been a lot of questions, people being like, you know, what do you look like without the system? So this is one just for you guys. I probably will do more without the system when I'm doing tutorials and that kind of thing. But yeah, I just wanted to say, you know, thank you to all of my followers on my channel so far. Thank you for posting the questions, the comments, all of that kind of thing. I hope you're finding my content useful, and I'm hoping that a video like this might show you the other side of a hair system. And yeah, I think that's all I've got to say, really. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope people who are asking have now found an answer to see what I look like without a system. I probably will be doing more of these in the future. But yeah, thank you again for following, subscribing, and, you know, commenting on my videos. You do get the occasional hater here and there. But my message to those guys is literally be respectful to other people within the community, otherwise you're going to get blocked from my channel. I won't accept comments that include hatred, discrimination, or just pure insults. There's no place for that on my channel. So if you are one of those people, I'd advise you to behave or to just simply get banned. To the rest of you, I think you're all fantastic, and thank you so much for engaging within this community on my channel, and I look forward to making so many more videos for you guys further down the line. Bye for now.